Next tool is a stroke width tool. If you go into the pen tool and create a simple shape like this, then you can change the strokes width with that. But if you want to change this strokes width manually, you can do with this tool, stroke width tool. It's very simple. Going here and click on somewhere, boom, and you can see some handles will be appear here at the start and the end. With click and drag on this handle, you can simply change the width. You can add another here and change the width of that, or change the width of start or end. That's very easy. We have two snap. A snap to the curve nodes. You can see if I create something here and move it, you can see you can move it. It's automatically a snap to the nodes if you need. A snap to the width on the same curve. You can see if you drag and drop it, you can see it. For example, this is a specific width, and this is higher than that. Okay, if you are going smallly, going in this way, and you can see suddenly it snap. It detected this width and snap. If I decrease of that, you can see we are now snapping to the this width. Okay, it's automatically detected the width and you can snap it. For example, if you want to make it the same like this, you can see with this snap, you can simply make all the width snap. You can see we have same because it snapped to the this width. Okay, these two snaps are good if you need. Another thing is lock line widths. You can see you cannot make it bigger. You can make it smaller but not bigger. It's locked. It detected this is a line width and it does not go above that. If you can see if I move this, it's going. You can see this is my another. For example, this is my width tool, and I can go over that. You can see. But if you want to lock this in between two these, you can set lock point ordering. Now it does not allow to pass from these others handle. Okay, with this tool, or you can reset profile to everything. Then you can go to your node tool or anything that you want. You can change the width here again. And again, you can just click and change it.